Georgia pie, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. And my house is not much to talk about, but still loves morning sun around, and a little bit of chicken pie. Cold beer on Friday night, pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. I like to see the sunrise, see the love that woman touch, feel the touch of a precious child, and no one does love. It's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on peace of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for toast to a little bit of chicken pie. Cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. For my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever.